Hey guys, it's your boy Bass Fishing Boy here today with another video. Today we are at Sea Line Lures. Sorry about that. And today we'll be opening Klash Adventure, which is a new Klash series. So let's get into the video. All right, first thing we got some packs. I think those are normal Klash. Let's see, what is this? What is this? What are these goodies? Okay, I don't know what those are. More packs. Coin. Oh, the rules. And then, oh, cards, it looks like. And then a map. And more of these weird numbers that I don't know what they are. Alright, whatever. And then this thing. I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's see, Klash Adventure. You roll a 20-sided dice. The higher the roll, the better outcome. 20 is perfect outcome, 0 is worst outcome. There are 2 game modes, free mode and story mode. Free mode, you can choose a situation like zombie apocalypse. In this game, King, as usual, tells her everything that happened. So it's like D&D, I guess. Story mode. Story mode, you start by choosing a character out of 4 base characters. Each have 2 evolutions. Razor Blade, Ganlord, Bite, Balance. Okay. So there is a map. And the Game King says where you are. And you can get into fights with a found character depending on your something. And dice roll at opponent's ratings. Okay. So is it like Dungeons and Dragons? I think it's like Dungeons and Dragons. Okay, so maybe I don't really know what this stuff is. Okay. Okay, so I think basically you just do whatever you want. Maybe strength, speed, health, and attacks. So yeah, I guess, and then you get task and story mode. If you encounter and kill him, the Game King is awarded 1 task point. Oh, okay. So basically, what it looks like is, what I'm understanding. Okay, so basically, I guess you get into fights. I'm not really sure about the evolution thing. I don't understand that, but maybe you get into fights and then you like roll a dice and then you choose what you want to do, and then these. You can go on task missions, which, we got task cards here. You draw these, and then you can choose which one, and you get a task point, and then you can get a free pack or something like that. But I don't... So, maybe it's like Magic, The Gathering, and D&D? I don't know. I'm going to have to ask him a little bit about this, because I'm kind of confused in the story mode. But I think that's what it is. And then here's the map. Oh, wait, is this the dice then? Oh my. Okay. Oh, dice, alright. Oh! Oh! Okay. Clash Adventure dice. Oh, so you gave me a dice. Alright, that's nice. That's very nice of him. Okay, so I'm a little confused, but I think I kind of know what's going on. Plains. Alright, so we got the map here. Cowfish Lake. I like it. I don't know what the coin's for. Maybe that's for like cast cards or something. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Alright, maybe I can do a video playing with him. Okay. Oh, okay, so it has task sheet on it. That's kind of cool. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like you put these in your deck. So, let me get everything sorted out. Alright, and then he also gave us some packs. So, actually, we should probably, I want to look at we should look at all the cards first. Before we do anything else. Oh, here's the map. Alright. Alright, so let's see. We got a Boxster, a Fan Ban, and then these are special strengths. So I don't know what that stuff means. I think that's just, I don't know what any of this stuff means yet. So, Flymies, Bubba, Bambler, Blika. Okay, Plains 4. Okay, so maybe that's where you start. Okay. Volcano Plains, Vulner, Danny Nix, I think. All. Exodus. Alright. And then we got task cards, it looks like. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Alright, now. Let's open the booster packs that he gave us. We got Clash Adventures Evolution 1 Starter Pack. So let's get this open. Alright, wait, actually. Do not rip. Evolution Pack may choose one of these cards to start. Okay. Ganlord. Razor Blade. Master Lumber. Galever. Oh! Okay, I think I kind of got it. So maybe you start with these. And then you can choose the other cards, maybe? Okay. Let's see. Adventure Evolutions 2 Starter Pack. Game King can reward an evolution move up. Otherwise, evolution move up at task point 30. Alright. Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay. Now, I don't know what the other cards are for then, because main boss pack. Alright. Bosses can only be found on every 10 task points, and main boss can only be found at end of game as final boss. Madagon, side boss, power boss. Alright, so that's the main boss, is Shadowgon. Okay. Alright. Okay. I wonder what this is. Klash Booster Pack. Okay, this is just a normal pack. Sneak Peek Pack. Set 2. Ah! Whoa, okay. I don't really want to rip this. This is really good artwork. Shoot. Well, you guys saw it. Alright. Oh my. Selena. Star Strength. Tie card. Ooh. Voodoo. PX card. Yes. Backup card. Galaxy Eclipse. Amateur. Sculpey. Amateur. Space Slither. Oh, stop. Common. Slappy. Common. Long Joe. Common. Flexa. Alright. Pretty nice. Now I need to find my other Clash cards. Alright, we're going to open the Clash Booster Pack. Mini. Tie card. Get Hammered.